Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today we have our Advent Calendar series and this is number 4. And this is going to be a lifestyle Advent Calendar. It's a 12-day Advent Calendar and it arrived in this box with all the little FABFITFUN tape on it. So I knew what it was when it hit the door. Yeah, the post lady left it out there at the doorstep and I knew when I seen it what it was. And we're going to find out what's in here. Look at that. Nice packaging. I like the colors. It's got the gold and the aqua. Ooh. There we go. There's the front. FABFITFUN. Yay! This is much bigger than what I thought it was going to be. This is the FABFITFUN 12-day Advent Calendar. It's a lifestyle Advent Calendar and we will find different types of products in here. Different than beauty. We'll have some skincare perhaps and probably. I'm not sure if we'll have any makeup or not, but we'll find out as we go through it. But we'll have some lifestyle items. This cost $89 if you are a member with FABFITFUN. You can only get this if you're a member. So if you have not joined up with FABFITFUN, this might be another reason to think about it. And if you do decide to do FABFITFUN, their quarterly box is $59.99. They recently went up another $5. You know, shipping's killing everybody, although I will tell you shipping's free, so you get about a $250 to $300, sometimes $600 value for $60. So I mean, like, the value's there. The value in this box is to be around $300, and of course we're going to go through there and see what they have, and I'll verify pricing in the window screen there. With my Advent Calendar series, there is a giveaway, so be sure and hang on toward the end and find out what the rules are. And of course we'll have a secret code word. But for now, let's find out what's in this calendar. I'm going to open it up. Can't see me anymore, can you? And I'm going to have to move it, but I want you to see how it is on the inside. So there's a quick view of the box and again of the front. I'm going to move it over here where I can get to it. And we're going to open up door number 1. I'm not going to be able to show it to you while I'm opening it, but I can assure you I will go in the order. And a 12-day Advent Calendar starts on Christmas Day, in case you didn't know, and it goes through January 6th, which is another special holiday. I don't know the name of it. I'm sorry. I need to find that out. Maybe I can put that up in the screen as well. I do know they celebrate it in Mexico because I was there once over the holiday and I was so surprised to see all the Christmas decorations still up. But it has something to do with the 3 wise men bearing gifts. So without further ado, let's find out what's in door number 1. Door number 1 is revealing a wine tumbler. And this is 12 ounce, and let's see what it looks like. The colors may vary, but I'm not sure if they do or not. So here's our cup. It is a wine cup. Mine looks to be blue, and it's an ombre blue. Isn't that pretty? I like that for Christmas. I use a lot of blue at Christmas time. Hey, no duh, you know, I've got blue here in my background. But this is lined with a nice little sippy cup lid. And then you have your still on the inside. So if you have a cool wine, then it's going to keep it cool. Of course, if you got it room temperature, it'll keep it room temperature if you're drinking Merlot. You might want to have a little cold drink in here, like some lemonade or something. It doesn't have to be wine. So it could probably even hold coffee as far as that goes. But that is door number 1. What do you think? See, I told you it was going to be different. It's not going to necessarily be beauty. Now, door number 2 has a travel pack. Hey, just in time for travels. Do you have plans to go anywhere this year? It's a 12-bottle travel kit, and it's in this plastic really good. I'm going to leave it in here. It has 12 pieces, and it's a travel bottle set. And you can see the very different ones that you have. You also got the circular ones, like if you want to put creams in and pack them up. And it also has it's got a tiny little funnel, so if you need to funnel liquids into it. And there's a little spatula down there. Can you see that? So we have 12 items in there all together. So that is a very nice little travel bag. And it says, clear for takeoff. Zoom. Yep, that'll be great for traveling. And door number 3, we have right here. I'm going to squeeze this over here so you can see it. I could do that much. Ooh, I see something nice and cozy in here. In door number 3, we have some cozy socks. And who doesn't like socks? And I love these socks, I can tell you that right now. And we've got some matching scrunchies. That's pretty cool. It looks like there's 2 white ones and a black one. We have kind of a leopard pattern with black and gray, and then with a taupey color and gray, and then we have a white pair in the middle. And I love that. These are Summer and Rose sock and scrunchie set. Now guys, I do like this. This is a win. Not that the other things aren't nice, but who doesn't like little cozy socks? Yeah, they're so nice. Okay, let's see what door number 4 has in store for us. Door number 4, ooh, something cozy for the bed. We have the satin pillowcase. And this is a standard. It's a 28 by 19, and it's so soft, it says. And it looks like it may be in silver. So I wonder if it's real 100% satin. Let's see if we can find out. But yeah, it's silver. Oh, there we go. Let's get a little feel of this. Oh yeah, that feels like satin. And nice and shiny for Christmas, New Year's, to put on your pillows. And it says so soft, and guys, it really is so soft. That's very nice. I think I might like to try that out. That's good for your hair too. You know, when you're sleeping on there, it's all nice and soft. Okay, we're on to day number 5. And it is right here. It's a tiny little door. And in here we have a beauty crop. And this looks to be a lippy. Interesting. It's in the color lychee. And I don't want to tear the packaging. So we have a lippy. Now we're going to move on to door number 6. We have a Glossier, and this is a super pure niacinamide zinc serum. Ooh, that sounds interesting. I know those can really help plump up the skin and smooth out wrinkles. Let's take a look. Oh, look at the packaging. That's kind of nice, isn't it? It's super pure, and it's a serum. I guess that's the front of the packaging. I was showing you the back. So there's the packaging. It's nice and clear. And it says, apply over clean face and follow with moisturizer. So this is kind of like a moisturizer retention, is what I would say. That'll help hold in and lock in moisture. So very nice. And then to have those extra properties in there with the niacinamide and the zinc serum. Yep, zinc is good for you. Are you taking your zinc to keep yourself from getting a cold and/or the COVID? I'm not sure that it'll totally protect you from COVID, but it will definitely boost up your immune system. Now we're going on to day 7. In day 7, we have the Aether Beauty Big Bang. That sounds like a mascara. What do you think? Let's take a look. It is Aether Beauty Big Bang Mascara. I like the packaging. It kind of goes, that silver goes in line with our little silver satin pillowcase. Now we're going to move on to door number 8. In door number 8, we have Vitamin Brightening Biodegradable Mask. And it says it illuminates, exfoliates, and strengthens. It's kind of a little heavy, so I guess it's one multivitamin brightening biodegradable mask. It says leave Aceology mask and tools in charge of the instant results and long-term benefits while you continue being your fabulous self. So I can't wait to try that out. I'll have to do that on a Mask Monday. It says let's FaceTime. That's cute packaging. Okay, door number 9. We're getting awful close here. Door number 9 it's a rosy posy. Okay, well, it's got a brush on one side and it's got your blush on the other side. Cool. So you can just put that on and then smooth it out. I've never tried like a moist, I call that rouge, but in the olden days, that's what they called it, like my granny. So we're talking about a long time ago, but they would call it rouge. So, but now they call it blush, and that is so cute. I like that. And the color's Rosy Posy. And I don't want to test it on myself just in case it ends up in a giveaway, but there's a better look of the color. That's a nice color. I think it would look very good with me, so maybe a keeper. All right, guys, we're to door number 10. Number 10 is right over here, and this is, the lid was off, so I'm glad it had a safety seal. That's right. Everybody wants a safety seal. That's right, just like Miss Lori Latimer says, safety seal. This is a Velvet Luxe vegan body and hand cream with virgin olive and avocado oil. That sounds wonderful. I'm going to like that. And it is by Vosh. I believe that's how you say that. It says it's in Tangerine Glow, so it's going to have a citrusy scent to it. So that sounds good. I'm going to leave the seal on it because I've got too many going right now to open it up. But man, I'm going to be lavished with some nice lotion there and hand cream. Now we're to door 11. Door 11 has Perfect Repair Treatment Mask for your hair. I thought maybe it was going to have a lid on it. It smells good, but it doesn't have a safety seal. As you can see, it's opened, and it's quite nice. It's like fluffy, and it's a mask. It's color safe, and guys, I just finished my Kristoff mask today, so I'm going to be prepared for another mask, and I enjoyed it, and I'm sure I'm going to enjoy this one. Now we're on day 12, the last one, and this is everybody's favorite, a Peony Blush Sponge Jelly. It smells good. It is the Flower Power. I'm going to show it to you. It comes like this. Guys, when they don't have the, like the little string with it, I just kind of put me a little hole in there and I save one of my other strings and I just push it through there, and then you can kind of have your soap on a rope, so to speak. You usually get like 14 washes. I think you get more than that, but they say at least 14, and I really like it. So this here was a nice mixture of lifestyle, all different kinds of things. As a recap, we got the Perfect Repair for our hair. We got some nice sponge jelly to clean us up and exfoliate our body as it leaves the emollients. It says cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. So we have this for our shower and our bath. We got our cozy little socks. Oh, I just love them. They're so soft, guys. And then we got some scrunchies, and I love the color of that. And so we got our feet covered, and you could even use this hand and body lotion on your feet and put on those socks and give yourself a little spa treatment with your feet. And if you have those little cotton gloves, you could do that for your hands as well. So we got this Velvet Luxe hand and body cream. We got the Big Bang by Aether Beauty. We got the Aceology face mask, which is going to be a multivitamin brightening mask for our face. We got our lashes. We got us some niacinamide and zinc serum. So you might could use this in conjunction with some hyaluronic acid. Like, I use Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair. So I could use both. Sometimes I do use C, like vitamin C serum, and then my Advanced Night Repair together. So, you can put some of those together, but please be careful. If your skin's sensitive, you might not want to mix all that up. And we got our Rosy Posy and our Nudes Matte Luxe. And this is an all-over face blush color. But, I guess they're talking about you might want to highlight it in different places. I just use it around my cheeks. Then we got this lippy, which is in lychee, and it was the Beauty Crop, but I am a little bit concerned about that. It looks like it's dried up, so I may have to contact FABFITFUN and let them know. I'm going to open it up later and find out. We got our ombre looking blue wine cup. which is made out of stainless steel. We got our beautiful silver satin pillowcase, and we got our travel case, and we're all set to take off. So guys, I don't know, I like it. I didn't think I was gonna like it too much, but I do like it. So, you can be surprised when you get these advent calendars. You just never know. So if you are a FABFITFUN member and you want this, I'm not sure if you can get it. Anytime that you can get it, it would be during the edit sales. So during the next edit sale, if you get a message, be sure and check it out and see if it's there and if you'd like to purchase it. It was $89. We got about a $300 value. I think I got my money's worth. I'm happy with it. Now, on to the giveaway part of the advent calendars. This has a giveaway, as we know. I'm not sure what it's going to be. It could be a combination of some of the items that you just seen and some others added with it. You must be 18 years or older. In this one, you must have an address within the continental USA. You must be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell, and you must use the code word FAB, F-A-B. So not FABFITFUN, FAB. F-A-B, because I think this is fabulous, but we're just going to use the word fab. Just to clarify, you do need to use fab in a sentence down below in the comments. And FABFITFUN and our YouTube are not affiliated with this giveaway. Anything that I may send in this giveaway and you think you may be allergic to it or have sensitive skin, be sure and test a small area on your body, face, behind your ear, somewhere on your hand. Find out if you're going to have allergic reaction. I'm not responsible if you do, so be sure and do that. Also, I'm not responsible if it gets lost, stolen, or damaged after I have sent off your package with the postman. You got to be publicly subscribed to me. I'll have all additional rules down in the description that you can check it out. Plus, you can go back and find out what's going to be a little sneaky peek of the advent calendar. There is an overall prize, which is the advent calendar at the end of this series. And during this series, each video will have a giveaway, so be sure and use the code words for each video if you're interested. Now, I realize you're not seeing what's in the giveaway, but it's gonna be Christmas time, so it's gonna be good. So do that. I don't know how many there are yet because I still have calendars coming, and as soon as they come, I'll get them out to you guys, so you might have opportunity to purchase. And I can't think of anything else right now. Be sure and check my descriptions for any other giveaways that are going on. And if you haven't decided to subscribe, I'm going to ask you, please subscribe. Subscribe, like, hit that notification bell to make sure you know my next videos that are coming out. And hey guys, give this video a little share. Share with your friends. They may want to try and win a gift for them too. And guys, that's all I have today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.